Hey everyone, Marc Saltzman here with a quick look at the Husqvarna Automower 315X. This is a robotic lawnmower. No one wants to cut the grass. We have better things to do with our time. So with a device like this, you can use an app and soon your voice, I'll get into that in a moment, to initiate the grass cutting. So it mulches the grass with these 3 quiet electric motors. It does its thing. You first set up a perimeter wire around your property, and that, coupled with GPS, will help it stay on your lawn and prevent it from being lifted by your neighbors, by the way, because there's a few anti-theft technologies here. But the idea is that you can set it and forget it, as they say on the infomercials. It cuts your grass for you. It's quiet, it's weatherproof. It can even be done at night since it doesn't make a lot of noise. And it can handle lawns up to 0.39 acres for this particular model. And get this, when it detects it's running low on battery, it'll navigate itself back to the base, charge itself up, and then continue the job again. And you're probably asking yourself, well, what about things like rocks or gardens, steep slopes or complicated shapes? Maybe it's not exactly square or rectangle. Well, Husqvarna is known for being able to tackle all of that with the different automowers they have, and the 315X is no exception. So as I mentioned, you can use an app to start and stop and see where the device is from the convenience of maybe a Muskoka chair with a cold one in your hand. But as of September 1st, you're going to be able to control this with your voice. So if you have an Amazon Echo or an Echo Dot, you can ask it using your voice to start cutting the grass, and it'll move itself off the base and do the job. So really cool stuff. I just wanted to give you a quick look at the product, but you can get a much deeper dive at Husqvarna.com. It's $24.99 for the 315X model, but there's a few others to see as well. So again, Husqvarna.com. This is the Automower 315X. I'm Marc Saltzman. Thanks for watching.